Sunshine, sea breeze, and a whole lot of sparkle. This is Benidorm, like you've never seen it before. I'm hitting the streets in style, pink hair and all, because mobility can be bold, bright, and totally fabulous. Welcome to my world. Let's ride.
So hi guys, welcome back to another video. Benidorm Scooter Sue. It's a Thursday evening. It's warm. The seafront is quite busy with people taking their evening stroll, or as I believe the Spanish call it, Paseo.
I thought
No,
the
correct.
I wanted some big umbrella things on beach.
Oh, funny, that's a parasol. Of course, correct me if I'm wrong. It will obviously have the correct spelling in the title. So, please ignore my pronunciation. But yes, guys, it's something that the Spanish do like to do. Go for strolls, and especially of an evening after their evening meal, they would just take a leisurely stroll along with their friends and family, maybe meet up at a local bar, have a cold one, and then afterwards continue their stroll, because this is what they like to do. As you can see, there's lots of families out taking part in this very Spanish pastime. I'm here with, of course, my YouTube colleague, the one, the only, put your cap down, Benidorm, crazy Marcus.
I'm not.
Is he crazy?
Not today, it's too hot.
Not today, it's too hot. We have been filming today, haven't we? I am, of course, as usual, sunburnt. When will I learn?
Probably never.
Never. Most likely never. Maybe someone will take pity on me when I get back this evening, put some sun cream on for me. Oh, God, how can anybody run? So people sat in the many bars. A few sat chilling on the beach still. And then we have the end of Benidorm in the distance. The Rincon sort of area. With Benny Cactus, the hotel that's lit up there in green. You can maybe just see it. Lit up there in green. And then of course we've got the two apartment blocks right there on the end in the distance that are set to be demolished. They kept saying they're going to do it. They haven't got round to it yet. Again, another report the other day that they're to be demolished, and a 28-storey tower block is set to take its place. Will it happen? Who knows, guys? A bit busy here. Seagull up there. Of course, not a real seagull, guys. A little bit quieter on this bit, away from the bars. Usually you get the bars pumping out the music at a crazy volume. There's no actual need for it to pump out that loud, but you know. Lovely and peaceful. A beautiful view of the sea. Got the lovely Artigas bar coming up on the left hand side. Great bar if you just want to sit and people watch. Is it Artigas 2, is it, Marcus?
Artigas 3.
Artigas 3. Sorry guys. Nice little bar, as I said. And of course they do some delicious ice cream. I think you're wrong, I think it is Artigas 2.
That's Artigas 3. Lights shut on the...
Oh right, okay, I do apologise, yeah. It is Artigas 3. Nice reflections across the sea as the sun sets. Sadly, I don't suppose it's coming out as well on the camera. So guys, I hope you've enjoyed this little video along the Levante seafront of an evening. If you enjoy the videos, please hit that like, hit the share, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you'll always get notified of when I upload more great videos. And Marcus is right, because we have Artigas 2 just there.
Oh, yeah.
Also guys, I will leave my buy me a coffee link and my PayPal link in the description, and also I will leave the link if you wish to become a channel member. Becoming a member of the channel gives you perks. There are 3 levels starting at $1.99, $2.99 and going up to $4.99. So you do have a choice guys. Perks include early access to videos, members only videos, and if you join the higher level membership, members only live streams. Thanks for watching, and I will see you upon the next one.